What you doing, Faye? You getting sleepy? You look like your daddy.
Yeah, just like Daddy, asleep on the floor. Is it 8 o'clock yet?
It's 7:24.
Oh, it's about right for Daddy.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Play Daddy. Play Daddy.
That's her new trick.
Play Daddy. Come on, play Daddy.
Play Daddy.
You just see her face. She's like, I don't know what to do. Go ahead, play daddy.
Good job.
Good job.
You deserve a biscuit.
We need to laugh when she lays down, then she'll keep doing it.
Play Daddy.
But
Play Daddy. Play Daddy. Go on.
Oh, come on.
Go on.